So, Alienware sent me this cool product from Dell, as you can see here in the video. It's a really cool headset from Alienware. And showing you an unboxing of it. They sent me this about a week ago or so, and it was free of no charge. They seem to, they say, well, you gotta have everything. So, it's like, yeah, So let's see what we got as we get this thing open here. And, uh-oh, what's in here? So, it's a box within a box. They give you a whole bunch of fluffy stuff. For some reason, they seem to think that's funny. Wow, it's this small in here, huh? So all that, and there was no cushion on the bottom. So, let's see what we got here. Seems to be pretty interesting. They got a box within a box here. So we're gonna just kick that box to the side and see what kind of Alienware gear we got today. Whoa, what's in there? What's in there? Ooh. So apparently it's like their awesome little headset they have. Let's see if I can get that off of there. And here we go. Box on the floor. So apparently we got some foreign language written on here. It says tri-mode wireless gaming headset. Oh yeah. And then it says Alienware. You know what I'm saying? So, of course they're like, hey, check out our stuff. This is what it's got. As you can see, it comes in this neat box. It's got some shine in there. What do we got over here? Looks like, they're representing it somehow or another, like check out our stuff. And we got some more tri-mode AI canceling microphones. What does AI do? Is that just the word they're using these days when it's actually just a program? And then here's the other side of it. Got some shine to it, some shizzle shine. So these are the headsets that they make that are like, oh man, this is a really cool headset, Oh, it's open from the bottom. Oh geez, easier said than done one-handed, huh? I figured one live continuous shot was the way to go, but I might be wrong, huh? Yeah. So these things are pretty cool. They light up, on the sides. Whoa, there's a hidden artifact in the box. As you move, it shines different colors. Like there's an alien head on there. So, with this box being like it is, can I open it? Well, we're gonna have to see. Well, we got a tamper-proof little unpackaged thing, and we're gonna open that sucker up. Oh no, I took it off. It's no longer worth anything. So here they give you some sort of, they tell you what it is, what it's got, and all that, and specifically stating, what it's got, stuff, specs. It says fast charge 15 minutes for 6 hours of use, huh? AI canceling noise, also known as just a standard program, because we use the word AI with everything. So here we go. We're opening this sucker up. These are the more expensive headset. This is the more expensive headset that they sell. It's like almost $300 or something. So here we have. This thing looks pretty cool. Not too sure how you get it out of there. It seems to be pretty well in there. Did they glue this thing in here? Oh no. They got these little things here on each side to hold it in place. Like Like, we ain't got enough stuff, you know. Kids' toys back in the day used to have this kind of stuff, you know. Oh, wow, check this out. You know, so these are pretty cool. Now, as you can see on the bottom here, I guess you can select bandwidth or connection or something. There's Bluetooth, 2.4 gig. Then you can turn your mic on and off right there. And then, what is that? An ANC, that's probably on and off. They got left and right labeled in there, so that way you know, where's your head at, right? Now, if you have a smushed head, it could go any way you want it, right? I'm not too sure what this little thing is right here. It looks like a light would maybe light up right there when they're going out or bad. I don't know. Just kind of thinking. Could just be packaging, right? So it looks like right here is a spot for a connection of something. I would figure that's how you charge them. And then over here is another spot for a jack or something. A wired if you're going wired. But this is a wireless one. I guess it might have the option. Let's take a look and see what's in here. So it comes with this piece here. I was under the assumption that it doesn't even need this thing, but I think this thing lights up around here. This is supposed to be their premium one, the one that costs the most or something, I thought. So you got this little flap here. Kind of got to pull back and up because it tucks in there like that. And so we've got some packaging here. Looks like a cloth or a bag to carry them in. We're gonna check that out in a second. Apparently we've got an on-off cord if you want to go wired that comes with it, and you can turn it on and off. And then obviously the charging cord here that can plug USB into the side to a USB-C. And it comes in a plastic case here. Let's see what we got here. Trying to take this thing out. And it's just a little pamphlet thing here with an alien head on it. Not too sure what that says. Autofocus not working. Let's see what this is here. What is this, sir? Like all Alienware products, they usually come with stickers. And that's a good tradition to have. I think Alienware should keep that tradition. And also give you some additional colored stickers. Now see, with the mouse that I had bought right here, I didn't get no stickers with it. And I got 2 of those mouses. I bought 2 of those mouses. And yeah, no stickers with that. But the laptop, I guess if you're, you figure the mouse might only be what, up to $100 or so bucks at the most, right? Or maybe in the $50 range or $80 range, whatever, right? But I guess they figure if you're spending like over 200 bucks, which is like what this headset costs, like $300 headset, or if you're buying their laptop, well, we're going to give you some stickers. And it's always cool to give kids stickers, right? Because that's what we are, just big kids. So this one's kind of like it does create a light hologramming effect, but it is, for the most part, silver chrome like. And then I guess you got a little pamphlet here on how it works and everything. You can use the QR code. It's got everything in this, how to set up and what you want to do when you set it up and blah blah blah, apparently, which is good. Now I was under the assumption that this headset did not need this, but I guess it comes with it anyways. I thought they had the sound built into the sides of these things right here or something, or the pickup for the mic right in these, but I guess I was wrong. Now these right here, these are very, very soft. This material here is very, very soft. It feels like a good quality kind of material. I could imagine though that there's a foam in there, and that foam over the years will become flat. I'm pretty sure they will, that if you use it a lot. Anyways, But it is very soft and cushy, so it shouldn't be hard on the ears at all. And then you got this warranty guide here. Safety, warranty, regulations, all that good stuff, But I'm glad that they gave me stickers because, all kids need stickers. And you should always have stickers with your product, because it's just a tradition. Now let's see what's in this bag here. Did we get something cool with the bag or what? What do we got with the bag here? Can the bag come out? Can we open this bag? Can we open it? Oh, we're opening bag. Now, it'd be cool if it has an alien head on it. If not, I'm not happy. That means they bought it from China. Well, it did come with some embroidery right here on the side of the bag. It says Alienware, which is like a cheaper way. I don't want an iron-on stamp, but I think if you're gonna do it and you're gonna give me a bag, this feels really crochet-like, This feels really good. This isn't your normal type of bag. This kind of feels almost like a premium kind of cloth or something. It's really weird. That's really strange. It's almost like some sort of animal. But instead of having this Alienware tag on the side here, I want it to be representing. So we're going to need an alien head on this bag from here out. That's the only thing that makes me not so happy there. Obviously there's stuff in there, and then it's like a zip, or like a draw that you can, draw it together with these sides here and pull it closed on both sides, instead of having a zipper. And there's just a piece of cardboard in the bottom. So that is what it is. It's not too bad, and we're gonna test it out this weekend and next weekend and blah blah blah, just to see how badass this thing really is. So for all those people wondering out there, and this is an unboxing of the famous Alienware wireless headset. I figured why go black, because everything is black. What they need to do is allow you to pick whatever color, or maybe interchangeable ends or something, to where you can have whatever color you want. Maybe you want blue, maybe you want black, I don't know, but cool, or chrome, or hologram kind of stuff. I like the idea that they do light up on the sides, and I'm almost guessing that you can connect this to your Alienware command center and change the colors of the alien head, because you can do that with the mouse, you do that with the computer. Can you change? I think I might have seen headset in Alienware command in the computer, so you might be able to change the color of your headsets. And I think, I'm not sure, but does it light up around the edges? We'll find out. But this is the Alienware 920H tri-mode wireless gaming headset. So for all you people out there that are buying headsets, why not go with something premium? I say premium is good. I figured, why buy your standard wireless Turtle Beach all the time? Why has it got to be Turtle Beach? Turtle Beach pretty good, but let's just find out, let's buy something that's cool. And this goes great with the computer and goes great with many other products. You can probably connect this to any other device, since it's Bluetooth and stuff like that. I almost bet that it can go to the new Xbox and go to the new PlayStation 5. So we're going to test that out and find out. I will update the description and let you know. Anyways, if you have any questions, let me know. Since it is Bluetooth, it definitely will go to PlayStation for sure. The only question is, will it link up to Xbox? So, anyways, you guys have a good day and keep it crispy out there, because Alienware is on the move now. The aliens have infected the world. And by the way, aliens are real. Keep it real. Oh yeah.